May 18th, 1980. 8:32 on a Sunday morning in southwest Washington, the north face of Mount St. Helens. A slab over a mile wide breaks loose and slides away. Mountains are not supposed to do that.
Now we've got an eruption down here. Now we've got a big slide coming out. I'm going back out here.
6 miles north, on a ridge the science called safe, a 30-year-old geologist named David Johnston gets 5 words into his radio. That blast is a wall of rock and gas, 600 degrees racing flat across the ground near the speed of sound. It bursts from the mountain's open side and flattens everything in its path.
It looked like the start of world